Hey everyone, how are you doing today? My name is Michael, and today we're going to discuss dropshipping, what it is, and how you can get started. I'll also show you how to start your own dropshipping business in 4 simple steps. Keep watching to the end of the video because I'll give you some personal advice and pointers to keep in mind as you get started. Alright, thanks for being a fan of the channel. Today, we'll be discussing the various elements of what goes into starting, operating, and growing your own dropshipping business. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with dropshipping, drop them in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them. Like I said before, I'm the host of the channel, and if you like what we're talking about here, consider subscribing so you can get new videos each week. Let's say you've been thinking of opening up your own online business, but you don't know where to start. You don't know what you should sell. You don't have the money to invest in products, and looking around, you don't have any place to store your inventory. That's what dropshipping is all about. You see, with dropshipping, you can sell stuff online without the products ever being in your hands. All you need is a computer, an online store, and a basic understanding on how to market and sell online. Here's how it works. First, you find what you want to sell from a supplier, then list that product on your own website at a price you set. Next, when someone places an order for that product, your customer pays you the retail price you've set and you make a profit. Then, you'll place the order with your supplier at their wholesale price and have it shipped directly to the customer. So, let's say you found this watch on a supplier's website for $10. You would then list it on your own website for $30. When the order comes in through your website, you then place your order with your supplier using your customer's shipping information, keep the $20 profit, and have the product shipped directly to your customer. That's it! Now, I know what you're thinking. Why wouldn't somebody just order the watch directly from the supplier's website? Well, a couple of reasons. First, it's a very big internet, and customers may not know about the supplier to buy from directly. Second, when people buy things, they're not just buying products. They're buying into the marketing, positioning, trust, brand, and lifestyle those products represent. With dropshipping, you can focus on marketing your products and saying the right things at the right time and providing real value to the right people because you're not warehousing an inventory or dealing with most of the other challenges that come with running an e-commerce business. That's all for part 1. See you in the next part. Yo guys, what's up gamers? Today I will be talking about this new rad thing called dropshipping. This is very cool and I thought I'd share. I'll also give you 4 actionable steps to start your own dropshipping business today. Finding reputable suppliers with high quality items and ensuring that you have visibility into your customers' fulfillment process are 2 major hurdles to consider while dropshipping. You can discover providers on your own, to be honest. When dropshipping totally on your own though, you may find yourself spending a significant amount of time researching and negotiating with suppliers in order to ensure your client's happiness. Another option is to use a tool like Spocket, which gives you access to millions of products to sell with just a few clicks and has dozens of other features to make your life easier, such as inventory management, automatically calculating profit margins, fulfilling and tracking orders, tracking shipping status, and measuring delivery performance, among others. Spocket is also included in the package, which allows you to work with verified, dependable suppliers that offer high-quality items, quick shipment, and excellent customer support. There are hundreds of products to pick from. Are you ready to get started? Simply create a Shopify store, install the Spocket app, select items, and begin selling online. So, What attracts individuals to dropshipping? To begin with, it's quite quick and simple to get started, and you can dropship with a very modest initial expenditure. You also don't need an established company corporation to get started, but it's a good idea to have one as your firm grows. You won't have to deal with inventory, packing, or monitoring, allowing you to concentrate nearly entirely on marketing, advertising, and merchandising. You may quickly access millions of goods that vendors are continually analyzing to see what's fashionable and what will sell. You control the margins since you decide the selling price. And because you can engage virtual assistants as your order volume grows, dropshipping is very easy to scale. There are, of course, certain drawbacks to dropshipping. For starters, because it's so simple to get started, there's a bigger chance of competition. That's why a lot of advice suggests that you start by identifying a niche audience, such as cat lovers or gamers, so you can operate with less competition. Then there are issues with suppliers. Though rare, it is unavoidable for a supplier to ship the incorrect item to your customer. If this occurs, don't take it personally and manage the return professionally by ordering brand new goods from the source or providing a full refund. Furthermore, because many dropshipping providers are headquartered in China, shipping periods are typically lengthier, which may put off some customers. Many visitors appreciate it when you make your shipping times clear throughout the buying process, especially if you're selling an item or in a niche where delivery times are less important. That's it for the first part. Have a great day.